Okay, so finally has the Apple HomePod Mini been released here in Sweden and other Scandinavian countries. So I am one of the first in Sweden that has an official released HomePod Mini. I ordered it the same day it was available for Sweden and now it arrived. So in this video I will do an unboxing of it. Nothing else. The setup and so on, and a review of it will be in another video. So this is an unboxing, and as you can see, quite nice box from Apple, and I ordered an orange version, so that's quite unusual color maybe. So let's remove the plastic. So Apple has plastic still on some of their products. That is also unusual, but here it is. The HomePod Mini. And now let's open the box. A magic opening of the box. As you can see, nothing more in the box there. Here we have the HomePod itself in orange, as you can see. And this on the top will glow up when talking to Siri, and also the first time you pair it with Siri and your phone. And here we have a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, a USB Type-C cable in that end. And here we have some sticker that should be removed. So let's do that. Ooh, check that out. An Apple logo at the bottom of it. Nice. So what's more in the box? We have something here. A paper. We have some instructions probably on how to pair it, and some other warranty and stuff. And it's also in Swedish now. That's nice to see. As you can see there, in Swedish instructions. Nice. And we have a charger actually. That's nice to see nowadays. Finally, we have a charger in the box that uses USB-C, as you can see. That is also unusual from Apple and also from Android manufacturers like Samsung. So now we have a charger again in the box, and that's nice to see, like so. And let's remove this also in this video. And now we have removed that, and quite long cable. That's nice to see, at least 1.5 meters or so. And that is a matching color for the HomePod Mini in orange, as you can see. And here we have the charger itself. So just plug this in and plug this into the wall, and it will start up. And when it's starting up, you should have your iPhone nearby, unlocked and nearby on the phone itself, and a pairing exactly as the same with AirPods will show up on the phone. And just continue and follow the instruction and you are done. Then you will find this HomePod Mini in the Home app, so you can have it in a specific room, and from there you can also add different voices. So for example, my wife and I can have our voices paired to this and do commands and so on. And you will do commands on your own iPhone with my voice and her commands on her iPhone and so on. That will be really interesting to see. And also how good the sound quality is compared to my Sonos speakers. For example, the Sonos One that I have now in the kitchen, and this will be in the kitchen now instead of that. So I can do a comparison to see how good the sound quality of this is compared to the Sonos One. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just an unboxing. I will do one more video at least about the HomePod Mini later. Okay, bye.